How to clear all your search history on YouTube. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to clear all your search history on YouTube easy and fast. So all what you have to do is go to youtube.com. It's not necessary to log into your account. Now go to the top corner right here on those three lines and then go down to history right here and click on history, and it will take you to this page right here. Now here you will go to clear all search history, so you can clear all your search words right here. Clear search and clear search history, and it's cleared. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. See you later.